Ciao, pizza-loving families. Are you ready for a pizza adventure together? Have you ever made pizza with your family? Let's find out how much fun it can be. Gather everyone, mums, dads, kids, even grandparents. It's time to make pizza magic together. First, let's start with the dough. Who wants to get their hands messy? Squish, squish, feel that soft, stretchy dough, give it a big squeeze. Now sprinkle some flour and let's see who can toss the dough the highest. Careful, don't let it land on your head. Great job. Now let's make it round. Teamwork makes the perfect pizza base. Time for the sauce. Who wants to be the sauce master? Swirl it all around, make sure every spot gets saucy. Can you smell that? The kitchen is already full of yummy pizza smells. Now comes the best part, toppings. What will you put on your pizza? Cheese time. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Don't be shy, the more cheese, the better. Now get creative. Pepperoni, mushrooms, or maybe pineapple. What's your family's favorite? You can make a silly face with olives or a rainbow with peppers. Let your imagination go wild. Ready for the oven? Let's all say, arrivederci pizza as it goes into bake. Watch it sizzle and bubble. Who can spot the cheese turning golden first? The crust gets crispy, the cheese gets gooey. Almost ready. Ding, out comes the pizza. Hot and delicious. Who wants the first slice? Stretchy cheese, saucy bites, and big grins all around. That's the magic of making pizza together. Everyone helps, everyone smiles. So next time you're hungry, gather your family and make your own pizza masterpiece. Who knows? Your pizza could become the next family favorite tradition. Grazie for joining me, Chef Marco, on this pizza adventure. Until next time, buon appetito. If you liked it, tap that and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.